In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of saving Gmail emails to flash drive with attachments using the BitRecover Gmail Backup Wizard. To install our Gmail migrator, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, enter your Gmail address and click Sign In with Google option. A new window will open asking to select the Google account to sign in with. Click on Select All option. Click on Continue and go back to the tool.
Select or deselect folder for migration using the checkbox in the panel on the left. Select Saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select EML option for this tutorial. The file naming option allows users to select a name format for the output file when converting it. The destination path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. Click the Change button and select your flash drive as the target location.
Next, simply click the Backup button, and the migration will begin. Once the export is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully saved Gmail emails. Click OK and open the destination folder to access the saved mails.
Our tool provides users with filter options for selective backup. Here, user can see multiple export options to be included or excluded in converted files, such as date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and others. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.